In print, the hard part isn't getting the color once, it's getting it the same every time. Here's why the same Pantone can miss in a big run. The proof is made on one setup, one sheet. Then we go on press, new ink, a new paper roll, more or less word in the air, heat, and press speed. Small changes added up, and your brand color spreads. And line paper, we lock it down. We agree on paper, the line we lock under, and a limit. Delta E plus an aisle check. On press, we use a color mat, read the sheets, and adjust ink and press setting right away. We keep the same steps from our China sample team to our Cambodia mass lines. What matters more to you, Delta E, or it looks the same on the shelf?